Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everybody is really doing well. And welcome to the stream, guys. It's 22nd of July. So before we, I don't want to discuss the health and time frames. We already discussed. So let's just start from the BTC, guys. The BTC is quietly doing a very good triangle. Either I have two probabilities for BTC. Either this is some sort of a triangle that we are right now doing. So basically, we already got a breakout of this triangle. So that's your wave A, B, C here, and the breakout. We already got a wave E. So till we hold 117.6k, I think the triangle is valid. And this is a breakout. Even though the volume is really looking good. And that's your wave 2, and we can just do something like this wave 4 and 5 and just go to 128 130k for BTC probably by next few days. But that's the bullish wave count for the wave 4, and which is a very likelihood. The reason being, I say that it's very likelihood because that's your wave 1, that's your wave 2, that's your wave 3, and we are in the wave 4 actually, and we should be having wave 5, and later on again a pullback, and then wave a final wave 5 should come. Basically, this red box will be within our target zone for the BTC, which is also a perfect target for a bearish shark. So we will see at this point. And also, if you really want to see exactly how the bigger wave counts would lead, this can even this also means that there is a possibility that this is all some sort of a not 5 waves, but some sort of a ABC as well, like some sort of a diagonal A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the top might be in. This is the top for the wave 3. This is wave A, and we are forming a small internal triangle A, B, and we can just simply drop down towards 109 to 110k as a support. Maybe even can front run a little bit because we have a nice support here, auto block around 112, 111k, and then we can just run up slightly smoothly towards new all-time highs by end of the month, and even slightly in the August. So that's the bear case scenario, the lower time frame bear case. But then in both the scenario, one thing is for sure, that this is what the target is, and we will go to those levels sooner or later. So either we pump from here like this, or we just simply dump like this, and a little bit chop, accumulation happens, and then we can pump like this. So these are the two possible ways what BTC can do. Now I have a very good triangle. Triangle is a very solid one, and my favorite one would be this. So this is what my favorite would be. So just finish this whole BTC move, and then so that ETH can also finish this whole wave 4 basically. So my favorite one is this. This is what I want, and can even go for irregular expanded flat. So that's your wave A, B, C, wave B, and then we go for wave C. That's a very good irregular expanded. So we are just likely going to form a very small range here, move sideways. The more BTC moves sideways in just under small range, it's very much good for the altcoins. Talking about the others, yeah, other also looks really topish to me from the wave 3 perspective. And if you look at why I feel topish, because there was a good volume here, but the volume faded away on this highs. Also, just look at the 4-hour time frame. We have a very solid bear divergence over here. And also, even though we are at a support, but if you look at the RSI, we are still under the RSI base MA. Now we have a very good bull divergence as well on the 4-hour time frame, even though. So what might happen basically is we might just simply just retest this like a 3-tap setup, some sort of a 3-tap, run up one more time, form a very solid 3 drive pattern with a low volume, and then we can have A, B, C on the downside like this to 0.382, and then we run up more. My target for others is clearly it's above, so we still need to go way far towards 370 to 390 billion dollars for the other crypto market cap. So even if you just probably have longs from here, you can expect a minimum of 21% move on an upside, maybe 130% move on an upside as well, and the best case scenario would be 36% move on an upside on an average for all the altcoins. Now it's a very bad case scenario, but in case if you are going for a full bullish, but definitely that should not happen before the Q4, because I expect some sort of a a 1-2-1-2 scenario. So this is your wave 1, 2. We are in the wave 1 right now, so let's finish the wave 1 this way, and then the blood moon gives you a nice dump or across the board, shake everyone out of it, make people bearish more and more. It just might even go like this, and then we go boom in Q4. So Q4, I expect altcoins to probably make new all-time highs, especially the other crypto market cap do all-time highs, and because this is a very good some sort of a wave A, B, or maybe some sort of wave 1, 2, and we just gonna see a massive run up. This is a perfect setup, perfect setup for a like a bigger altcoin rally. Now I also have a bear case scenario, guys. The bear case is simply that we lose. This is some sort of a bear flag, basically a bigger bear flag that we have. So that's your wave A, B, C, and then you have A, B, C, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how it goes for the Q4. We go towards $420 billion. Still, it's a really good numbers. We can make good amount of money out of it. So remember, if we have made a massive money in this one, imagine how much big money we can make in this push up, and later on we can just probably sweep the lows like this, and then this is going to be a massive range. Basically, it's hard to tell about exactly the wave count, but looking to the overall structure and the timings of what I feel the market is going to give us a blood moon dump, and then later on keeps on pumping. Mid-September the market is just going to go crazy, in my view, till October up only. So this perfectly fits or aligns with my target. We run up through 370, 380 billion. We dump till blood moon like this, shake everyone out, and then a little bit more accumulation, and boom, we just go to $420 billion plus. So on the lower term time frame, this is how I feel for the market. WIF is looking great, guys. I already have a good long, and it already did 28.9%, and many took profits as well. I'm just gonna write, even for the current price, it's just up 18.5%. I think it's a very solid. If you really want, if somebody wants to take a scalp here, you can long it. WIF you can long, or probably just wait for a small pullback towards 1183, and you can have a very tight stop loss. Just want to scalp it, around 1153, and you can target probably around the red box, which is around 1.476 and 1.5. And I'm damn confident this red box is going to get flipped, the way everything we have seen flipped. And we are likely going to run up even to 1.75 for like another 44% move. So if somebody's interested in taking this, because I'm already having a very good 2x leverage, and spot bags as well for the WIF, and it's in good profits. If anybody wants to take a scalp, this is very good. The worst case is green line. We can just probably sweep this low. So let's say if you lose this one, this trade, this scalp, you lose it. And if it goes down one more time, just long it. This is a very good levels, 1.11 and 1.12, basically very good levels. You can relong it, and once you reclaim this, compound it, move your stops here, and once it goes up beyond the equilibrium, move your stops at entry and just let it ride, and this is gonna fly like this. So the two possibilities on the WIF basically, but it looks so damn bullish and ready to me. Ondo, same plan, guys. We have almost there. I mean, you see the green line, and just look at the daily EMA 200 as well. Very good, and a very good move. Still almost at the entry, to my entry, honestly speaking. Got some good move yesterday, almost close to 7%, but I don't want 7%. I'm not interested in 7%. I'm interested in this, from this green line to this green line, like a 20% move is what I'm interested in. And I think the still looks great. I mean, we have the liquidity up here.